Hello everyone, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, in this video I am going to show how to reset if you forget your Xiaomi Mi smartphone password. So guys, let's watch the full video. Guys, you can see here this is the Poco F1. The smartphone owner is forgot his password. So guys, I will show you in this video how to reset this password. So guys, now let's start. At first, power off the smartphone and then press the power key and volume up key simultaneously. Wait for a while and release the power key, but not release the volume up key still. Now you can see here, guys. So guys, now select if you want to erase your smartphone data. So erase data. So here I will erase all setting and data. And then press the active the device. You can see here, guys, password is required. You can see here, guys, top of the corner of the smartphone, this is the mobile number to get the verification code. So guys, now let's go on the PC screen and then go to the id.mi.com. Enter the smartphone this mobile number to get the verification code. Here, guys, on the screen, send verification code to your smartphone. You will be get one SMS from the mi.com. You can see here, guys, like this. And now enter the verification code. This is the reset your password, account password. So re-enter your account password, new password. Password changed successfully. Now I will sign in again. Select the country. You can see here, guys, sign in is complete. And then go to the smartphone. You can see here, guys. Now enter your new reset password. Now the password reset is complete. You can see here, guys, the smartphone phone is already unlocked. You can see here, guys, setup is complete. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.